Good evening viewers, welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today I'll be fitting this wood panel onto my XF. Now a huge disclaimer, I'll be using a very amateur tool to pry out the existing one with this flathead screwdriver. If possible, I would recommend you to use a trim tool instead, but this is my car, so at least I know what I'm doing with it, and all the damages are going to be done to my personal car. So without further ado, let's do it. So the first panel to remove is actually the phone one here, the place where you place your phone while driving. So I'm just going to pry out this one first. There we go. Knocked over the camera by mistake, so just unclip this one. I think there's one more there. So yep, that one's out now. There we go. And then we take out this one here. Oof, listen to that creak. Just reposition the camera higher so you can get a better view of what's going on. So carrying on with the prying, almost out, and let's see if I can get it by hand. There we go. So yep, that's one less shiny black plastic out of the car. Can't wait to see what the new one looks like. So let's start unpacking this. Let's see what it looks like in the flesh. And here it is. And I must say it feels much better than the plastic. So let's start refitting this one and see how it goes. Actually, just before we start, let's clear out all this dirt that's been accumulated under the bezel itself. So here we go. Not the best, but that would do more or less. So this in theory should just click into place. Annoyingly it didn't, but at least putting it there does look a lot better than this one here. So the reason this one did not clip in is because if we look at the back, the silver bits that clamp on weren't included. So I have to take it off from this one. Also, the rim around this part was not included on this one either, so we'll have to remove this one as well. So here we go. Fortunately, after about 5 or 10 minutes prying this out, I managed to get this out successfully without damaging this part at all. All the damages were actually done on the shiny black plastic itself. And if we look on the other side, you can see exactly where I tried to pry it off. So let's see if it fits on here. That seemed quite easy. Already it looks much better, so if we just start the car. still looks the part, and I think this black wood just adds more character. Now obviously I'm not finished yet, but as you can see it still wobbles in place. So the next thing to do is to get these clips out and fit it onto this one. A little off topic to the subject of this video, but looking inside here I actually found the runners on where they would have put the ambient lighting on. So it actually starts all the way over there and then obviously just carries on around here and back to that runner there. So I'd point out for those who want to do any ambient lighting retrofitting or just aftermarket ambient lighting. Finally I got those bits on, so for the moment of truth, let's see if this fits. Let's see if this fits. It does, and for the finishing touch, let's put this back on. If only I can find which way around it goes this way. There we go, that's fitted and that looks done. Glad to see what the finished result looks, and I don't think my watch will be giving this thing any abuse, unlike this one here with all its scratches around the base. And next we'll be swapping out this obviously black piano plastic top for a leather top, red metallic rotary gear selector, and potentially in the future I'll probably swap these ones out for the same wood. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me do a quick DIY video of me swapping out the black piano center console for a wooden one. Subscribe if you are new, like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers!